Teishio River is a river of Hokkaido region, Japan. The river source is at Mount Teishio, flowing down through the mountains valley, then crosses mountain plains before entering the Sea of Japan. Its total length is 256 km. Ishikari River is the third longest river in Japan and the longest in Hokkaido region. It rises near the center of the Kitami mountain and flows through Ashikawa and Sapporo and moves its mouth to the Ishikari Bay. Its total length is 268 km. Tokachi River, the source of the river is Shintokyu. It flows through the southern center area of the Tokachi sub-prefecture and flows into the Pacific Ocean. Its total length is 150 km. Kitakami River is the fourth largest river in Japan. It is 249 km long. It originates in Mount Nanashiroge and flows through mostly rural areas of Iwate and Miyagi prefecture and pours into Pacific Ocean. Shinano River. It rises at the foot of Mount Kobushi in the Japanese Alps of Honshu. It runs through both Niigata and Nagano prefecture and flows into the Sea of Japan. Its total length is 367 km. Tone River. It rises from Mount Ominakami. It flows in the Kanto region of Japan and pours into the Pacific Ocean. Its total length is 322 km. Kiso River. Kiso River is a river in the Chubu region of Japan. It rises from Mount Hachimori, flowing through the Nagano, Gifu, Aichi and Mie prefecture before emptying the Ise. Its total length is 229 km. River is a river in Shimane prefecture. Takatsu River is 81 km long and flows from Yoshika town through Tasuwano town, Masuda city and pours into the Sea of Japan. River is a river in Nara and Wakayama prefecture in Japan. The river flows from Mount Daigahara to the west. It pours into Kii Channel at Wakayama city. Total length is 136 km. Shimanto River is a river in western Kochi prefecture, Japan. The Shimanto River is known as the last crystal clear river in Japan. The Shimanto River is the longest river in Shikoku region. It originates in Mount Iraju and pours into the Pacific Ocean. Yoshino River rises from Mount Kamegamori in Ino, Kochi prefecture of Japan. It pours into the Kii Channel. Its total length is 194 km. Chikugo River. It flows from Mount Aso through Kumamoto, Oita, Fukuoka and Saga prefecture in Japan and empties into Ariake Sea. Its total length is 143 km. Oyoda River is a river which runs through Kagoshima and Miyazaki prefecture in Japan. It originates in Tsuyoshiro, Minaminogo and ultimately drains into the Pacific Ocean. Its total length is 107 km. Arakawa River is a 173 km long river that flows through Saitama prefecture and Tokyo. It originates on Mount Kobushi in Saitama prefecture and empties into Tokyo Bay. Kuma River is a river in Kumamoto prefecture, central western part of Kyushu, Japan. It's sometimes referred as Kumagawa River. It is the longest river of Kyushu. It originates in Mizukami and pours into Yatsushiro Sea. Its total length is 115 km. Gokase River rises in Mount Mukosaka, located between Miyazaki and Kumamoto Prefecture, and pours into the Pacific Ocean. Its total length is 106 km. Abukuma River is a length of 234 km, is the sixth longest river in Japan. It runs through Fukushima Prefecture and Miyagi Prefecture, rising from springs in the peaks of the Nasu Mountains, and pours into Sendai Sea, Pacific Ocean.